Hello children, today we are going to learn fifth lesson. Your fifth lesson is natural disasters. Let us learn first what is disaster. Disaster is a sudden calamitous event that seriously disrupts the functioning of the community or society and causes human, material and economic or environmental losses. Means disaster is a sudden event that disturbs the functioning of the community or society, which causes the loss of human beings, loss of materials like houses and infrastructure, and economic losses, and also the environmental losses. So, disaster is a sudden calamitous event that seriously disrupts the functioning of a community or society and causes human, material, and economic or environmental losses. Disasters can be both natural and human made. Natural disasters. What is natural disasters? Natural disasters are the disasters which are caused by the forces of nature and are beyond the control of human beings. Means natural disasters which are caused naturally and that are beyond the control of human beings. Human beings cannot control this natural disaster. Natural disasters are of two types. Natural disasters are caused by changes in the interior of the earth, such as earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, tsunamis, etc. Natural disasters are caused by changes on the exterior of earth, such as floods, cyclones, and forest fires. Human-made disasters. Human-made disasters are those for which human beings themselves are responsible. Means only the human beings are the responsible for human-made disasters like wars, riots, nuclear explosions, industrial accidents, etc. are some of the human-made disasters. In this chapter, we shall study some of the natural disasters in detail. First one, earthquake. What is earthquake? Due to the catastrophic movement like collision of plates in the interior of the earth or heavy pressure, the weak upper crust of the earth experiences sudden tremor or waves. This is called earthquake. Means because of the sudden movement in the interior of the earth like collision of plates or heavy pressure in the interior of the earth, the weak upper crust of the earth, that is, or the outermost layer of the earth experiences sudden waves. This is called earthquake. When earthquake occurs, cracks are formed on the ground, buildings collapse, and there is huge loss of the life and properties. The earthquake occurs due to the internal disturbance in the earth. The place from where the earthquake originates is called focus or hypocenter, and it is located in the interior of the earth. What is focus? Focus is the place from where the earthquake originates. It is located in the interior of the earth. That is known as focus. The place exactly above The focus on the surface of the earth is called epicenter. Clear? What is epicenter? Epicenter is the place exactly above the focus on the surface of the earth. That is epicenter. The earthquakes spread outwards like waves from the epicenter. The earthquake spreads outwards like waves from the epicenter. The intensity of the earthquake is felt the maximum around the epicenter. The intensity of the earthquake decreases as we move away from the epicenter. The effects of the earthquake depends on the intensity of the earthquake. That is, around the epicenter, the intensity of the earthquake is maximum, and if it move away from the epicenter, the intensity of earthquake decreases. To measure the intensity of earthquake and know its point of origin or hypocenter with the help of seismograph. Seismograph is the equipment used to measure the intensity of the earthquake. There are three main reasons for the occurrence of earthquake. These are: first one is volcanic eruptions. Second one, strike slip faults. What is strike slip faults? A break in rock where two blocks move sideways with a little vertical movement. That is known as strike slip faults. It also causes the earthquake. That is, the two blocks on the surface of the earth, it moves sideways, and that means there is little vertical movements occur. It also causes for the occurrence of earthquake. Third one, subduction in an active subduction zone. See, what is subduction? Subduction is a geological process that takes place at a convergent boundaries of tectonic plates where one plate moves under another and is forced to sink due to high gravitational potential energy into the mantle. Regions where this process occurs are known as subduction zone. See, subduction. Subduction is a geological process that takes place at a convergent boundaries of tectonic plates. What is convergent boundaries? Convergent boundary is an area on Earth where two or more lithospheric plates collide. What is lithosphere? Lithosphere is the outermost layer of the Earth, and tectonic plates. Tectonic plates are pieces of Earth's crust at uppermost mantle, together referred to as lithosphere. So, what is subduction? Subduction is a geographical process that takes place at convergent boundaries of tectonic plates, where one plates move under another and is forced to sink due to gravitational potential energy into the mantle. Regions where this subduction process occurs, that is known as subduction zone. So, three main reasons for the occurrence of earthquakes are volcanic eruptions, strike slip faults, and subduction in an active subduction zone. See the scene of earthquakes in Gujarat 2001. The 2001 Gujarat earthquake is also known as the Bhuj earthquake, occurred in the morning on 26th January. On that day, all Indians celebrating 52nd Republic Day. See the earthquakes in Nepal on 2015. In April 2015, a massive earthquake hit Nepal. Its aftershocks were felt for days. Thousands of people lost their lives in this earthquake. Next one, cyclone. Cyclone is air which blows at a great speed. It is also known as storm or whirlwind. Cyclone means the air which blows at a great speed. So it is known as whirlwind or storm. The coastal areas, especially the eastern coast of India, experiences cyclone every year. However, these winds affect a limited area for a limited period of time only. Forest fire. In dense forests, dry branches of larger trees come into friction with each other frequently due to winds. This generates fire which spreads quickly within the forest. Such fires occur due to other reasons also. Such a fire is called forest fire. So, what is forest fire? Due to the winds, the friction will occur between the dry branches of a tree which spread fire within the forest. And such a fire is called forest fire. Forest fires which cause great damage to forest resources. Then landslide. Landslides mostly occur in the mountainous regions when the upper surface of the earth slides down due to excessive rain or earthquake. Roots of trees hold the ground firmly, therefore, plantation of trees helps in preventing landslides. Here ends your first part of fifth lesson, natural disasters. Thank you.